Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So let's start. First we draw some 2D shapes. Look at these shapes. Hexagon. It's a hexagon shape, kids. Hexagon. What we draw? Hexagon. Hexagon. Semicircle. We are drawing semicircle shape, kids. Semicircle. Pentagon. It's a pentagon. What is this? Pentagon. Circle. So circle shape, kids. Circle. Cross. We are drawing cross shape. Cross. Rhombus. It's a rhombus. Rhombus. Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, brick brown color, brick brown color, yellow color, yellow color, turquoise blue color, turquoise blue color, warm grey color, warm grey color, peacock green color, peacock green color, vivid green color, vivid green color, hexagon, semicircle, pentagon, circle, cross, rhombus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.